Helena.
I like to annoy him in the morning.
You move the car.
Yes, I moved the car.
Promise?
Yes, go.
Promise in front of the video?
Okay, go.
Okay.
Yo! Oh! I moved the car.
You promise in front of the video?
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
Andre, this bike is in an awful state.
Right now we have a 3-day weekend, so we definitely need to make the most out of it. Plan is decluttering, cleaning, organizing. If we're happy with what we've done today, we can enjoy the rest of the weekend. I've probably been awake for already 3 hours. I'm starving. I'm just gonna have a tiny little bit of cereals because I'm always gonna remain a child, or my inner child is always gonna stay in me. I don't know what you want to say. Just a little bit of cereals in the morning, and then after that I'll have like a proper breakfast probably. But right now I'm just hungry.
To see the truth.
I hope you didn't think that I was gonna clean everything by myself. I almost forget that I had to actually clean to get there. I'll have to admit, I might have chosen this task because I love being outside in the sun. I have to jump in here. Like, I literally don't even know how things get under all the way there. Can you tell me? And don't tell me, please, that I'm the only one cleaning my fridge and finding out it's actually a little dirtier than I thought. But this is what builds the connection between you and I. Because, I'm sharing something very intimate here. Something that I'm definitely not proud of. But on the other hand, do you see how healthy everything we have in our fridge is? Pretty good. I guess it could also mean that everything that isn't so healthy has already been eaten because it wasn't so healthy, therefore a little bit easier to go and eat, and that everything else that's so healthy is still in the fridge because it's so healthy. Please tell me you understood what I meant. Am I the only one that's struggling for literally 15 minutes to put back something that I was able to take out? Yes, I am. Been meaning to do this for at least 2 months. Wasn't so difficult, Helena. Let's change angles. So good.
Very good. Thank you, my beauty. You're the best.
Huh?
You're the best.